In the heart of India's eastern state, Odisha, a dance form vibrates with energy, color, and rhythm. This dance form, known as sambalpuri, paints a vivid picture of the region's culture, tradition, and spirit. A dynamic tapestry of movement, sambalpuri dance encapsulates the essence of the region's rich history, its people's resilience, and their deep connection to nature. Historically, the sambalpuri dance developed as a form of expression amongst the rural communities of the Sambalpur region. The dance form got its rhythmic pulse from the everyday activities of the people, such as harvesting, fishing, and even the playful banter between friends. Every step, every movement, every beat of the drum was a reflection of their daily lives. As we delve deeper into the history of Sambalpuri dance, we find that it has evolved significantly over time. Initially, it was a folk dance performed during harvest festivals and other community celebrations. However, as the dance form began to gain popularity, it started to weave its way into other aspects of life and culture. Over the centuries, Sambalpuri dance transformed into a more structured and sophisticated art form. The dance began to incorporate elements from classical Indian dance forms, yet it retained its unique flavor and vibrancy. The simple, earthy movements evolved into intricate patterns, but the dance never lost touch with its roots. It continued to tell stories of the people, their triumphs, their struggles, and their deep reverence for nature. In the modern era, Sambalpuri dance has gained international recognition. It is not just a dance form anymore, it is a cultural ambassador of Odisha. It gives us insights into the region's history, its people's way of life, and their profound connection with their surroundings. In conclusion, Sambalpuri dance is more than just a series of movements set to music. It is a living, breathing representation of a culture, a region, and its people. It is a dance form that has evolved over time, yet it has held on to its roots, reflecting the resilience and spirit of the people of the Sambalpur region. It is a dance that tells stories, carries traditions, and celebrates life in all its vibrant hues. As the beats of the drum echo and the dancers move in harmony, the Sambalpuri dance continues to be a vibrant testament to the rich cultural heritage of Odisha.